Hi, I'm Dr. Khurram Shaukat Yusufzai. Today's video is about Toyota Hilux, which is assembled in Pakistan by the Indus Motor Corporation in collaboration with Toyota of Japan. Toyota is well favored by the off-road community because it makes off-road vehicles like the Toyota Hilux, the Toyota Prado Land Cruiser and the Toyota Land Cruiser. But the cheapest among these offering is the Toyota Hilux, and it is well loved by the people of Pakistan because most of the people who are going into the off-road arena, they prefer this vehicle. And this vehicle is actually owned by the government officials and the military people, and mostly people who can afford this expensive vehicle. Currently in Pakistan, Toyota Hilux does not have a competition. It only has a lone competitor, which is the Isuzu pickup of Japan. Currently, the Chinese manufacturers or the Koreans have not offered any competition to the Toyota Hilux. So it is the king of the off-road in Pakistan currently. The Toyota Hilux Revo V, which is the topmost version, was launched in Pakistan with a facelifted version. All the Toyota Hilux comes with 2.8 liter diesel engine with the 6-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual. The Toyota Hilux Revo V has a diesel engine mated to a 6-speed automatic gear, and it's only offered in automatic version. This is the topmost version, and it has beautiful LED lamps at the back and also at the front, which is characteristic of the Toyota Revo, Hilux Revo V. The gate at the back is opened manually, and it has a stop lamp which blinks when emergency brakes are pressed. This is a new feature in the facelifted version, and the trunk is covered by beautiful black vinyl flooring and the side moldings, which gives it a soft padding look. The Toyota Hilux V has 18-inch alloy rims, which are latest and newly designed, and they look cool. Only Revo V version has this 18-inch alloy rims, which has 228 60 oblique 18 tires fitted into it. The Toyota Revo G has a 17-inch alloy rim, and the basic Hilux also has a 17-inch alloy rim. Inside the Toyota Revo V is black leather seats with black leatherite leather type side moldings, and the dashboard is also black, which gives it a beautiful look, and it matches well with the black steering. Because of this black leather seats and the black interior, it gives a nice, good, exuberant look. All the variants have 9-inch multimedia, and which is Android 8 offering, and a 4G SIM can be fitted inside, which can help you play the different apps and the Google Maps. And this also has a provision for linking your phone screen through the phone mirroring option, and the controls are touch, as well as on the steering there are multimedia controls, and the climate control is also offered in Toyota Revo V, along with electronic switching between two wheels and front wheel drive options. There are two USB offered in the this version. The gear is automatic, typical Toyota 6-speed automatic gear with option of driving it manually and with 2 driving modes, sports and eco. This speedometer is Optitronic with a lot of chrome finish. All the V version has chrome finish with push start and cruise control, as well as buttons on the steering for multimedia and the trip computer. The mirror is standard with manual control to finish the glare or deflect the glare. There are 2 reading lamps, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side, and a provision for placing your eyeglasses. There are mirrors in the sun visors but no lamps. So basically it's a fully loaded car. The speedometer looks good. There is a colored small screen in the middle for different displays. The difference between Revo G and V are the seats as well. Like the G version has fabric seats and it has halogen lights, no LED lights, and the headlamps, and also in the back lamps is also halogen. And the tire size is 17-inch alloy rims, and furthermore there are no hill descent control in the G version, although it has a stability control, but the hill descent and certain features are missing. The air condition has vents at the back seat for the back row passengers in the V and G both versions, which is a good thing. You can see the seats are not bench-like, but there are 3 bucket seats. The one in the middle is a smaller one, maybe for a child, and there is a armrest in the middle which comes down on the middle seat with 2 cup holders. There is a lamp for the back seat people, and there is a coat hanger at the back of the back seats. So I hope you liked my video, and there are some specifications for all these versions, like the V versions, the G in manual and automatic, as well as the simple Hilux, which is a single cabin. So you can pause it and compare all the features to see which versions you like the best. And I hope you subscribe and press the bell icon, because if you don't, there are billions of video and the chance of observing such informative video about cool cars in Pakistan would be lesser. One thing more, that Toyota Hilux uses hydraulic steering. It does not use electric steering, which is standard in all the variants. So this is informative for you to choose between whichever variant you like. So take care and best wishes, and thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you again. Take care. Bye.